it's gas that's stored and transported as a liquid. Now that sounds obvious, it's liquid petroleum gas, but there's nothing else, there's really nothing else like that. I mean, you can liquefy any gas, but if you look at, say, natural gas, you need to liquefy it with enormous pressures, which makes it totally impractical to transport because the containers would be so heavy. So in that respect, LPG, propane and butane, there's two compounds, they are unique in that you can, at very low pressures, you can liquefy them, but you use it as a gas. So that's the first thing that it makes it exceptional, and it makes it unique. It's also exceptional in terms of its burning characteristics. It's very clean when it burns. It has very low particulates. It has low CO2. It's a very efficient fuel. If you compare LPG with many other fuels, liquid fuels or solid fuels, the energy that is produced by the flame, by the fuel, a large proportion of that is transferred to whatever it is you're trying to heat. Take a cooking pot, for example. You can turn the gas on. When the pot reaches temperature, or when you finish cooking, you turn it off. If you compare that to a log fire, you start the fire an hour before you want to cook because it has to get hot. And all that energy is being wasted. Then you cook for an hour, take your pot off, and it stays hot for 3 or 4 hours afterwards. And again, all that energy is wasted. So enormous efficiency savings with LPG.